2018 Hyundai Sonata. Transmission fluid change. Drain plug is right here. It's like 15/16. Magnet on the end of the plug. Be sure and clean it off. Catch your fluid, clean pan, kind of put it back in a jug and measure how much you're getting out. But the check plug takes a 3/8 drive ratchet. It's right here in the front, right here. Put a few quarts in it, start it up, get it up to operating temperature. It should run out this plug. And there's a fill plug on the top in the center. Let's get up there and see where it's at. Show you where it's at. All right, for the fill plug, it's pop the breather top off. Phillips screwdriver on these two clamps. Engine cover. Little breather hose, crankcase breather hose. Whoops. That plug is right there. Alright, it's just a long extension and a 3/8 drive ratchet. Sorry, it's kind of shaky here. I'm holding the camera. There you are. I normally put 3 quarts or so in it, and then start it up, get it up to operating temperature, pull the bottom plug, let it run till it, fill it till it runs out. That's it. Thank you.